In this lesson, you are going to learn what is meant by a composite shape. You're also going to learn how to find the area of this type of shape. Here is an example of a composite shape. This shape is made from a rectangle and a triangle. To get the area of the compound shape, it is necessary to break the shape into smaller parts, and then calculate the area of each of the parts individually. First, find the area of the rectangle. Use the formula area equals length times breadth. Substitute the length and breadth into the formula, which gives us 6 times 5, which equals 30 centimeters squared. Next, find the area of the triangle. The formula for calculating the area of a triangle is area equals half times base times height. Since we don't know the height of the triangle, we will have to work it out. The height is 8 minus 5, which equals 3 centimeters. Substitute the value of the base and height into the formula. Half times 6 times 3 gives an answer of 9 centimeters squared. The area of the rectangle is 30 centimeters squared. The area of the triangle is 9 centimeters squared. To get the area of the composite shape, add the area of the two separate shapes together. The area of the composite shape is 30 plus 9, which equals 39 centimeters squared. Here is a second example of a composite shape. This shape is made from a half circle and a rectangle. As before, we need to break the shape into smaller parts before we can calculate its total area. Let's begin with the half circle. Remember, the formula for calculating the area of a whole circle is area equals pi times the radius squared. To calculate the area of the half circle, we need to first calculate the area of the full circle, and then divide our answer by 2. In this example, the diameter is 25 centimeters, so the radius of the circle is 12.5 centimeters. The area of the circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. Remember, we only want the area of the half circle, so we need to divide the answer by 2, giving an area of 245.3 centimeters squared. Now let's look at the area of the rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 25 centimeters, and the height is 20 centimeters. The area of the rectangle equals the length times the breadth, which equals 25 times 20, which equals 500 centimeters squared. To calculate the area of the composite shape, we must add the area of the half circle to the area of the rectangle. 245.3 centimeters squared plus 500 centimeters squared gives us a total area for the composite shape of 745.3 centimeters squared. In this example, the blue shaded area is a rectangle, and the white circle is a hole that has been cut out of the middle. To find the area of the composite shape, we begin by finding the area of the rectangle. The formula for calculating the area of a rectangle is area equals length times breadth. Substitute in the values for the length and the breadth, so the area is 8 times 6, which equals 48 meters squared. Next, we need to find the area of the circle. The diameter of the circle is 4 meters, so the radius is 2 meters. Use the formula area equals pi r squared, which is 3.14 times 2 times 2, which gives an answer of 12.56 meters squared. To get the area of the shaded part of the shape, we'll need to subtract the area of the circle from the area of the rectangle. 48 minus 12.56 equals 35.44 meters squared. In this lesson, you have learned that a composite shape is a shape which can be broken up into its simpler parts. The area of the composite shape is found by using the formulae for the basic parts and adding or subtracting the answers to find the total area.